Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an updated review on this 13 by 6 40-inch deep wave wig from Yuan hair on Aliexpress. Like always, you all, I bought this hair with my own money. This video is not sponsored. I'm over here, I have my receipt right here. I don't know if anything important is on here, but yeah, there it is. I have the receipt right here. We're going to go ahead and get into this video, but before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, so this is a 13 by 6 advertised as an HD lace, and they also consider this their loose wave wig. So, I mean, I like the wave pattern. It is still a little damp right now. Super big and super thick. So let me put all the hair to the front for you all. Kind of got the hair stuck in my dress. All the hair to the front. So this is a lot of hair for a 180% density wig. It's a lot of hair, time please. It's a lot of hair, period. So definitely an A+ on thickness. Like, you definitely don't want some thin curly hair. But I feel like when it comes to like curlier textures, you can get like a 180, 150% density and still have like a lot of hair because it gets so big. The hair gets really big when you like start pulling apart curls and stuff. So you can definitely go with something like 180-ish. But if you all can't see, I finally filled up my gumball machine. Hold on, it's a little messy back there. I did not see that, but I finally filled up my gumball machine. So happy about that. But I'm still in the process of moving in. So back to this wig. I did the unboxing on this wig weeks ago, but I'm finally getting around to like actually wearing it. I haven't worn it that long, but it's been maybe 4 or 5 days now. And it's really, really good. I've been working out in the wig. If you want to know how long I wear my wigs, like I wear them like non-stop. Like, I don't like rotate wigs, wear this one day, take off my wig. Like, with the wig, I sleep in it, I work out in it, I go throughout my day in it. Yeah, a big thing for me with curly wigs I've been getting lately is like, when I work out, I usually put my hair in a low ponytail, and sometimes it'll be like nappy around the neck. I sweat like a lot, you all, like a lot. But sometimes it'll be nappy around the neck and I really have to detangle. So far, I'm not getting that with this wig at all. So that's super good. Hair. I'm going to link the hair in the description box, the actual link I used. So 13 by 6. So this isn't like this isn't the true 13 by 6, but you get 6 inches all the way back right here. And then like 13 by, oh my God. You see, Tom likes my dress. Like, that's my baby, you guys. But it's a 13 by 6, like from here to here. And then you probably get like 2 inches or something like that on the side over there. I'm gonna stand up and show you all how long it is on me. I'm 5'7". Of course, the hair isn't stretched all the way. Let me show y'all. So curled, this is where the hair is falling on me. I'll put it to the back so you all can see. So this is where the hair falls, still curled. It's really long. Of course, the more I stretch it, the longer it's gonna be. But if you want longer hair in its curlier state, this is really good. I love it. It's like a 1B color. I was planning on dyeing it, but I didn't really get the chance to yet. But I'm feeling this hair. It's really cute. I kind of had to hit it with the hot comb a little bit because like I like the top of my head to be like a little flat, and then I want the curls. I also, like, I'm gonna do an unboxing video right after this. I decided to order another wig from Yuan, their straight wig, so I can't wait to show you all that. Well, I haven't seen it yet, it's still in the bag. But this hair has been really good so far. They had a lot of orders and stuff, so that's why I was like, let me see if they're actually good. Like always, you all definitely message the vendor, say, hey, I wanna buy a 13 by 6 40-inch wig. Do you have it in stock right now? I think because it's so long, they usually don't have it in stock, so you might have to wait a week. But if you get something like 30 inches or so, it will probably be in stock. I think I really didn't mind waiting because like I ordered like 3 wigs at once, so it wasn't that big a deal for me. But I do really like this company. They seem to respond to me fast. They gave me pictures pretty quickly. I asked for like maybe 3 different textures, 3 different pictures. They gave me all of them. I loved that. So when they actually did send the wig, because at first they had to get it because I had to get it made because it's so long. When they actually did send the wig, it took like less than a week, probably a little less than a week. So that's not bad at all. As far as the price was like $4.96 for a 40-inch, 180% density, 13x6 wig. So, I mean, this hair is like super thick. I'm super happy about that. Like, it's giving, you guys. And the length is just like there. I love it. It's thick to the ends too, to where it's not like it doesn't have like little ballies and stuff on the end. It's not see-through at the bottom or anything like that. Like, my hair is thick to the end. So I do love that. Looks super cute right now. It's giving. I know you all have been waiting on this video, so I was like, oh my goodness, I need to go ahead and do it. I was wearing the Wow Angel wig for a while, so I didn't really have a chance to switch, but this is cute. Comparing it to Kiss Love, I think that was one of the like deep wave wigs I had tried recently, and Oscilly, I think this one is thicker and longer. It's thicker and longer, I think. I have my Aliexpress app open right now. Let me compare these prices. So this wig was $4.96. The Kiss Love wig for 34 inches, it was 250% density. That one was $4.39. So it was a lot shorter, but it was supposed to be thicker. But this one was like kind of like, I feel like this one is actually thicker and it's 180% density. And as far as the Oscilly wig, I only have a 34-inch, 250% density, and it's $318. So Kiss Love is a lot more expensive. If you want some longer hair, like, I feel like if you're taller, then you really have to get some a little longer, because like I always want my like deep wave wigs to touch my butt. So with that, I need something longer than 30 inches. 30 inches on me with a deep wave is gonna go like to the middle of my back. So I definitely need something a little longer. So far, I really like this hair. The company seems good. I cannot wait to open this straight wig. It's over here, Time's over here chewing on the bag. Like, he gets to open in my bags now, but I love it. The lace is easy to work with. I did hit it with a little bit of lace tint. I use the same Eben, whatever lace tint I've used for the longest. But you can find it at your local beauty supply and all that. I usually use the color like light brown or light medium brown, because I feel like everyone's scalp is a little lighter than their skin tone and stuff. So I'm like, okay, get the one like a little lighter, not too light, of course. But yeah, I'm really feeling this hair. Like, this is a lot of hair. Like, this is half of the hair and it's super long. Like, it's nice. I don't remember if when I measured it during the unboxing, if it was true to length or not. I'll link the unboxing video to this video too, but that is it. I hope you all enjoyed it. So far, I would definitely recommend this wig. Like, it's giving. Not much shedding when I'm detangling it or anything like that, but I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.